Coming up, we'll show you what to expect from a merger between Sanford Health and a Utah-based health system.
And flattening the coronavirus curve, the plan one Sioux Falls City Councilor may bring to the table. Good morning, this is KELOLAND on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
A 23-year-old man is in the Minnehaha County Jail this morning facing a long list of charges, including aggravated assault and kidnapping. On Saturday night, police say the victim was at a friend's house with her 1-year-old child when her boyfriend and father of the child, Brandon Craig, showed up.
Police say he took the child and grabbed the woman by her hair, forcing her outside and into his car. Police say Craig then took off driving and almost crashed. When he slowed down, the woman was able to get out of the car, but the baby was still inside.
We had some people that called this in as he was driving away. We had an officer that saw the car, tried to stop it, and he took off at a high rate of speed, so the officer stopped and did not pursue him.
Police say Craig dropped off the child at a relative's house. He was arrested a short time later.
The woman had minor injuries and the child was not hurt.
A 13-year-old boy from Sanborn County has died after a UTV accident in a pasture over the weekend. The Sanborn County Sheriff says the boy who was driving the UTV was partially ejected.
He was taken to a Huron hospital where he was pronounced dead. The passenger of the UTV was not hurt. Turning to weather now, after cold temps to start the week, a warm-up is coming to KELOLAND.
Let's see how warm it can get with meteorologist Scott Munt. Good morning, Scott.
Well, good morning, everybody. We are looking at warmer temperatures for this weekend, just in time for Halloween, with temperatures warming above average in many locations. We'll try to bring these numbers back to the 50s to near 60 degrees. Now, we do have some precipitation out there, but that's well to our south. Look at this. They're talking snow in the northern panhandle of Texas, and this is moving to the east, slightly to the northeast, and this will stay out of our area. That'll be quite the system as we do go over the next 36 to 48 hours. For us today, we are looking at temperatures in the 30s to near 40 degrees. More details on the KELOLAND Live Doppler forecast with Brian Karstens coming up.
Thanks, Scott. Sanford Health and a Utah-based healthcare system plan to join forces. Sanford and Intermountain Health signed a letter of intent on Friday. The leaders of both health systems talked about the plan on Monday.
We think that we have something really important here to offer. We think that the new system that comes out of this merger should be a beacon, a model, a city on a hill that others can learn from, even as we learn from them.
Both organizations will operate under their current names for the foreseeable future. The merger is expected to close next year.
The intended partnership will not only combine the clinics, hospitals, and healthcare services under one company, it also brings together their own health system insurance plan. For Sanford, that expansion was a big part of the merger.
Numerically, we're almost identical twins in terms of the healthcare delivery side. It's the insurance piece that has challenged Sanford in recent times, because we've had a healthcare company, an insurance company, for 25 years, and we do a good job with it in this region, but we're stuck. To grow outside this region with our insurance in a mobile society has become a daunting challenge for Sanford Health.
Sanford CEO says he spent his career working on acquisitions and mergers to expand Sanford's health network, a goal he will continue as President Emeritus once the merger with Intermountain Healthcare is complete.
Intermountain Health started in 1975 when the Mormon Church donated its 15 hospitals in Utah to a secular nonprofit. Since then, the organization has grown to include more than 20 hospitals in locations across Utah, Idaho, and Nevada.
A KELOLAND.com original story by Ray Yost has more information about Sanford's new partner. The story is on our website now. A Sioux Falls City Councilor has a mask mandate proposal he's bringing before the council. Councilor Kurt Sales says his proposal would be for indoor as well as outdoor public places. A violation would mean a misdemeanor citation.
It's time. Our community needs it. The numbers of the infections are going through the roof. I've seen and heard the strain on our healthcare workers. I've seen and heard the strain from our teachers, from our employees.
Sioux Falls Mayor Paul Tenhaken's office shared a statement from him in which he says he does not intend to support a mandate. You can read the full statement in this story right now on our website.
And that's a look at some of our top stories. Be sure to join us on air for midday in KELOLAND.
Until then, you can get up-to-the-minute developments right here on KELOLAND.com. Now let's get one last look at your weather with meteorologist Brian Karstens.
All right, weather this morning. Well, we are cold now, but things are changing here as we go through the rest of the week. The depth of the cold is starting to lose its grip. We're focusing back to the northwest, and we're finding above normal weather as we switch gears into early November. It looks like the timeline on that would push in early next week as we eye things, looking pretty good around here. We've got time to watch it, but already it looks like we're going to have at least 1 or 2 days in the 60s here. Maybe even a couple of 70-degree readings if things go just right. So keep watching for that. But in the 7-day forecast, we're not quite there yet. We've got 34 today, Sioux Falls. We're going to melt a little snow. We're going to melt a little more tomorrow, 45 the temperature. And then clouds might set us back a little bit on Thursday, high near 40. But Friday's high 48, and then we crank up a little wind on the plains here on Saturday with a high of 53. And then 50s likely early next week. And we could go warmer. We'll keep watching that. Aberdeen in the northeast, low 30s today, 37 tomorrow. Looks like a few more clouds on Thursday, but we do not see any organized rain or snow chances for a while. So we're going to keep that out of the forecast and steadily climbing. That's why you see day 7 being the warmest reading on the forecast, and that also includes Pierre at 59, and I think we could jet a little higher than that as time goes on. But again, the first thing is we got to get the snow cover to melt, and of course that's going to happen each and every day that we're above freezing. Rapid City in the west too plan on temperatures slowly climbing here in the first 3 days, but then 59 by Friday and in the 50s this weekend. Check out our complete weather coverage online at KETTLELAND.com. and have yourself a great Tuesday.